What's up, guys? Back with another video. I'm gonna be teaching you how to do. I'm just gonna be Roomba. So you come over here, get under, you click your Oculus button, you put your hands all the way down, you step out your Guardian as far as you can until you can't, and then you step back in. You on to your Oculus menu. I messed it up though. You on Oculus menu and your hands should be under the floor. So then you become a Roomba. I keep messing it up. Good. What the heck? It's not working now. But it's basically how you do it. Hold on, let me try again. See, he got it. Let's try this. Oh, it keeps exiting me out of that. That's why. There we go. But now we are a Roomba. We're basically just inside the floor now. You can slide around like old Gorilla Tag. Slide around like old Gorilla Tag. I'm about to play hide and seek. That's why there's people joining right now. Oh, let me get up.
Unmute the kid, bro.
Look, I'm a Roomba.
Unmute the kid.
I will. I am.